Thank you so much. Medyo napatuloy ko lang kanila ng student kasi naging masaya ang sa amin nila. So, again, congratulations to the Dasmans and Congressman Marcos Matida, Governor Luis Matida, Vice Governor Galiman, all board members, provincial administration, Director General of Amungan, tama ba? Amungan? Tama? Mali? Tama.
Thank you. First of all, Major Mano to be there. EDS construction, our executive and working committee, all the mayors and officials and the provincial government of Nueva Vizcaya, happy Amungan Festival. Guys, thank you so